Hello everyone, my name is Aiful Wasli. Today I will be presenting my formal experiment, which is performance analysis of Brayton cycle using a gas turbine simulator, which will we be using the STG/EV gas turbine. So what is Brayton cycle? Brayton cycle is the thermodynamic cycle that demonstrates gas turbine operation that include compression, combustion, and expansion. So our primary objectives was to evaluate how changing the compression ratio influence network output and thermal efficiency. We also aim to compare the performance of simple Brayton cycle versus a regenerative one. And lastly, we wanted to quantify improvements in total power output and fuel efficiency through heat recovery. For safety measures, we ensured all connections between our portable computer and the gas turbine. Their connection was thoroughly checked and was secured. Secondly, the equipment was strictly operated within its specified limitations, and we maintain a dry environment, keeping all liquids like water far away from the electronic components and the simulator panel. For the procedure, for simple Brayton cycle, we toggled the regenerator model, let it off, and we recorded the temperature data at compression ratios of 10, 15, and 20. So for simple Brayton cycle, we record data for T1, T2, T3, and T4. And for the regenerative cycle, regenerator model was toggled on with an effectiveness of 80%, and the temperature data at compression ratios of 10, 15, and 20 again was recorded. For regenerative one, we record data from T1, T2, T3, T4, and T5, and T6. For expected outcome, we calculated for compression work, turbine work, network output, heat input, and lastly, the thermal efficiency. In the simple cycle, we observe a downward trend in efficiency as the compression ratio increased. It dropped from 4.63% at compression ratio of 10 to just 1.41% at compression ratio of 20. This is because the work required to drive the compressor rises faster than the turbine's power output, leading to a high back work ratio. However, for the regenerative cycle, it showed a massive improvement by preheating the compressed air with turbine exhaust gases. We reduced the required heat input. This cycle reached the peak thermal efficiency of 31.57% at the compression ratio of 15. In conclusion, our analysis confirms that while simple cycles suffer at high compression ratios, regeneration is a better method for industrial applications. It effectively compensates for efficiency losses and also minimize fuel consumption and maximize power output. That is all from me. Thank you.